I'm going to be repairing this hole in drywall with the Red Devil electrical outlet multi-surface repair patch. And this is 7 inches by 7 inches. You would want to cover a hole or a repair by at least a ½ an inch on each side. The patch is a thin mesh. It has extra cross fibers for more strength, and one side is adhesive so you don't have to apply a bedding coat of drywall compound. You can leave the patch this size. I'm going to trim this and make it a little more circular so it's easier to cover. Once the backing is removed, you can press it against the drywall. I'm going to be using an all-purpose joint compound rather than a spackle because I want to put on multiple thin coats. With most spackle, you can't apply it as a skim coat. I'm going to apply a very thin first coat and let it dry. Once the first coat is dry, you apply a second thin coat, and you would apply the all-purpose joint compound a couple inches past the patch. And now I'll let this fully dry. Once the second coat is dry, you can use sandpaper or a damp sponge to smooth out any ridges or knife marks. I like a damp sponge because it doesn't create any dust. I'm going to apply a third thin coat of all-purpose joint compound, and I'm going to spread this a couple inches past the second coat, and it's going to make that patch disappear. And now allow this to fully dry. If you need to, you can lightly sand out any imperfections.